Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Speaks, the place where English is simple, clear, and fun. I'm Adam, and I'm very happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Adam, and hello, everyone. I'm Sarah. It feels so nice to be here with you. The studio feels warm and cozy today, just like a holiday morning.
It really does. Sarah, how are you feeling today? Are you relaxed, or are you still tired from the holidays?
I'm feeling good, but I'm a little tired. A good tired. The holidays were busy, but they were very happy.
I understand that feeling. Today's episode is very special because we are talking about Christmas.
Yes, Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year. But Adam, Christmas is over now.
That's right. Christmas has passed, so today we will talk about the past. We will practice the past tense.
That's very important for our listeners. We often want to talk about yesterday, last week, or last holiday.
Exactly. Today's big question is simple but powerful. How was your Christmas?
Such a good question. We can tell stories, learn new words, and practice real English.
Before we start, friends, please take one small moment. Subscribe to Mr. English Speaks, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English.
All right, Sarah, I'm curious. How was your Christmas?
My Christmas was wonderful but very busy.
Busy? What made it busy?
I traveled. I went to my parents' house for Christmas.
You went to your parents' house. That's the past of go. Was it far?
Yes, it was. I drove for almost 3 hours.
3 hours is a long drive. Was there a lot of traffic?
Yes, there was a lot of traffic. Many people were traveling, but I listened to music, so I stayed calm.
Music really helps. So when you arrived, who was there?
My whole family, my mother, my father, my brother, my aunt, and my grandmother. The house was full.
A full house sounds lovely. What did you do first?
We talked for a long time. Then we started cooking together.
Christmas cooking. What did you cook?
We cooked a big dinner. My mother cooked a turkey, and it was huge.
Turkey is very traditional. Did you help her?
Yes, I helped a lot. I peeled potatoes and cut vegetables.
That's hard work, but it's worth it.
Yes, it is. We had mashed potatoes, carrots, green beans, and gravy.
Gravy makes everything better. How was the dinner?
It was delicious. We sat together, talked, laughed, and ate too much food.
That sounds perfect. Were there decorations?
Yes. There were candles, lights, and a big Christmas tree. The tree touched the ceiling.
Wow, that's a tall tree. What did you do after dinner?
We played games and talked. My grandmother told old stories.
I love that. Family stories are special. Now, Sarah, let me tell you about my Christmas.
Yes, please. How was your Christmas, Adam?
My Christmas was quiet and peaceful. I stayed at home this year.
That sounds relaxing.
It was. I woke up late. I slept until 10 in the morning.
That's great sleep.
After that, I made breakfast. I cooked eggs and toast and drank hot coffee.
That sounds cozy.
Then I watched a Christmas movie on TV.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched a classic Christmas movie. It made me laugh.
Laughing is good for the heart.
In the evening, I cooked dinner. I didn't cook a turkey. I cooked chicken and rice.
Simple food can still be very good.
Yes, and for dessert, I ate chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake is always a good choice.
After dinner, I called my family and friends. I said, "Merry Christmas."
That's very kind. Did you get any gifts?
Yes, I did. My sister gave me a warm jacket.
That's a useful gift. Did you like it?
I loved it. And what about you? Did you get any gifts?
Yes. My parents gave me a book, and my brother gave me a scarf.
Books are great gifts for learning and relaxing.
Yes, I was very happy, but giving gifts felt even better.
That's true. Christmas is about giving, sharing, and being together.
Adam, I noticed we used many past tense verbs today.
Yes, we did. We said words like cooked, watched, played, and traveled.
Those are regular verbs. We add ed.
But we also used irregular verbs like went, ate, and had.
These words are very common, so listeners should practice them often.
The best way to practice is telling stories about your life.
Yes. Talk about what you did yesterday or last weekend.
You can even talk to yourself or your pet.
They are very good listeners.
Before we finish, let's do a quick recap.
Today we talked about Christmas and practiced the past tense.
We shared 2 different holidays, one busy and one quiet.
Both were good because happiness looks different for everyone.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, what did you eat for Christmas?
Use the past tense. Say, I ate.
We love reading your comments.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Mr. English Speaks.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time. Keep practicing your English.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye.